Hey there, today I'll show you how to access and customize the checkout page on Squarespace. Just to clarify, Squarespace automatically creates a checkout page when you add products to your site, so what we're doing here is styling and configuring it. First, open the Pages panel on the left sidebar. You'll see a list of all your site's pages appear. Now, scroll to the bottom and click System Pages. This will expand the list showing cart, checkout, and other automatic pages that Squarespace generates for you. Click Checkout. The checkout page styling panel opens on the right side. You might see a banner that says checkout is disabled. Don't worry, that just means the changes you're making aren't visible yet, but customers can still buy your products while you style the page. Now you can use the Style Tweaks panel on the right to customize the visual elements. You'll see options like background color, which changes the background color of the right half of the checkout page. There's title color to change your site title color if you don't have the logo showing. Header alignment lets you display the title or logo on the left, center, or right of the header. Button color changes the buttons on the page, including the continue and redeem buttons. You'll also see a show site logo toggle if you want to display your logo instead of the text title. Adjust whatever you like. Once you're happy with the styling, click the save button. Your changes won't be visible until you save. If you want to configure more advanced settings, open the Settings panel in the left sidebar, click Selling, then click Checkout. The Checkout Settings panel opens with options like Checkout on your domain, which directs customers to a custom secure checkout page on your domain. You can set a minimum order amount for the checkout subtotal. There's a Quantity for Services option to let customers check out with multiple service products. You can customize receipt details that appear in Order Receipts. And if you scroll down and click Additional Fields, you can check Enable Custom Checkout Form. Then click Edit Custom Checkout Form to start building a custom form. Finally, run a test order on your site to see how your styled checkout page looks with your customizations applied. This is the best way to get familiar with how your checkout works. One thing to note, the checkout page displays in a split screen and your style changes only apply to the right side. You can't customize the left side and you can't add any custom code to the checkout page due to payment security requirements. The font is also locked to Squarespace's Clarkson font, so you can't change that either. That's the full process. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.